How to monetize Instagram Reels. Today we're going to be looking at Instagram and Instagram Reels and how you can actually monetize them. We're going to go through 6 different ways that you can actually monetize your Instagram Reels. To actually effectively monetize Instagram Reels, it is crucial to understand the fundamentals of this feature. Now, Reels are short videos that typically range from about 15 to 30 seconds, be created by a combination of clips, audio, effects, and stickers. They appear on the Reels tab and the Explore page and within users' feeds. Reels recently have gained immense popularity due to the discoverability, shareability, and potential to go viral. So by capitalizing on these aspects, businesses can increase the brand exposure and reach a wider audience. Now, the key to successful monetization on Instagram Reels lies in creating engaging and compelling content that resonates with your target audience. Some of the tips for crafting captivating Reels are as follows. Showcase your products and services. Embrace creativity. Leverage trends and challenges. And use captions and hashtags. You also need really strong connections with your audience. Now, here are some strategies you can use to obviously get that engaging audience. Respond to comments and direct messages. Collaborate with influencers and creators. So run contests and giveaways. So once you've built a solid foundation with engaging content and an active community, it's time to explore the monetization strategies on Instagram Reels. Now, the first one we're going to talk about is sponsored content. So you could collaborate with brands and align with your niche and create sponsored reels, promoting their products and service organically within your content and disclose, obviously, the partnership transparently. Affiliate marketing. Now, you could join affiliate programs and incorporate affiliate links and discount codes within your reels. When viewers make a purchase through your unique link or code, you earn a commission. Now, the third one we're going to talk about is sell products and services. So utilize Instagram's shopping features, such as product tags and swipe up links if you're eligible, and to the direct viewers and your e-commerce store or website. So you can showcase products in action and provide seamless purchasing experience. Trust you're liking this content. If you are, make sure you give us a big thumbs up. This will help us in the algorithms and help more people to see this video. The fourth one we're going to talk about is brand partnerships. So you can establish long-term partnerships with brands that resonate with your audience. Collaborate on dedicated reels or sponsored series that promote their products or services consistently. Now, the fifth way of monetizing your Instagram Reels is influencer marketing. If your account has gained a substantial following and engagement, brands might approach you for influencer marketing campaigns. Negotiate fair compensation for promoting their products or services through Reels. And the last one we're going to talk about is native advertising. Instagram offers native advertising options such as sponsored posts and story ads. Utilize these features to amplify the reach of your Reels and target specific demographics. So wrapping up, monetizing Instagram Reels can provide businesses with a lucrative opportunity to drive revenue, increase brand awareness, and engage with your target audience effectively. By creating compelling real content, building an engaged community, and implementing various monetization strategies, businesses can unlock the full potential of this dynamic platform. Now, remember to obviously stay authentic, provide value for your viewers, and adapt approach based on your insights and trends. With dedication, creativity, and a strategic mindset, Instagram Reels can be a powerful revenue stream for businesses in the modern digital landscape. So make sure that you obviously check out Instagram Reels and how you can monetize them for your business. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, obviously smash up the like button for us. Don't forget to watch these videos next. And if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and you'll get notified every time we make a new video. That's it for today. We'll see you on the next video.